Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Honda Accord side mirror. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver set and your new mirror assembly. Next, ensure your Honda Accord is parked safely on a level surface with the engine completely off. Finally, locate the interior trim panel that covers the mounting bolts for the side mirror. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Gently pry off the interior trim panel, usually located near the mirror base, to reveal the mounting bolts. Be careful not to damage the clips. Then, disconnect the electrical connector that powers the mirror's adjustments and any other features. Finally, use your screwdriver to unscrew the 3 mounting bolts, carefully removing the old mirror assembly. Installing your new mirror is straightforward. First, carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door, ensuring the mounting holes align perfectly. Next, insert and firmly tighten the 3 mounting bolts to secure the mirror in place. Make sure it's snug, but do not over-tighten. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring all power and adjustment functions are ready. With the new mirror installed, it's time to test it. Turn on your car and check all power adjustments, including up, down, left, and right movements. If your mirror has a turn signal, verify that it functions correctly. Then, carefully reattach the interior trim panel, ensuring all clips snap securely into place. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.